Hi, this is Jonathan Black and welcome to another brief video tip for business. What I want to talk to you about this time is what I call a frog conversation. That's frog as in F-R-O-G. And simple conversations that allow us to take the pulse of where we happen to be, reflect, debrief and look at some simple steps that we can do to make the next challenges we've got coming forward a bit easier and identify the challenges we've got that maybe we need to spend some time addressing. I call these frog conversations because it reminds me of the well-known scientific fact that if you put a frog into a pot of boiling water, it will jump out, immediately recognizing it's about to boil itself to death. But if you place a frog at the bottom of a pot of cold water and slowly bring it to the boil, it will actually cook itself to death, not recognizing the change in temperature and the threat that develops over a period of time. And as human beings, in business, in teams, in family circumstances and relationships and so on, the same thing happens. Things can creep up on us. The usual kind of everyday, week-to-week challenges that we face can take their toll, and sometimes we need a very simple process as a team, maybe at the end of the week, maybe at the beginning of the week, and maybe on the weekend if we're a family or a team, a sports team or whatever, to identify the challenges that maybe we need to address. And frog conversation is very simple. It's simply a gathering of our teammates around us and we're asking a number of simple questions. And an example of that would be along the lines of what are the challenges we faced this week? What are the challenges that we found stretched us? Maybe we need to address in some particular way, maybe some learning or some follow-up with a client or maybe some clarity around systems. What are the challenges we've got coming up next week that we need to devote a bit more attention to based on the learnings we've had of last week? And what have we learned about ourselves, our business and our systems around resilience, or maybe areas that we have learned about we need to grow in or make some changes about. In that example, 4 simple questions. And you can develop anything you like basically. I'll put a blog on the website to explain this a bit further with a menu of different kind of questions for some different kind of options that we have in business, and I hope that helps. Thanks very much for watching.